Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy today with another video. Guys, this time I'm going to show you guys how to make your knotless box braid. So to prepare your hair, then you have to go back to my previous video and check how you have to stretch your hair before you start braiding. So right now I am parting the hair like so, and then I'm going to separate this first part in the middle to make sure all the braids are of the same sizes. So I'll first of all separate it in the middle and then separate the other parts in the middle as well, like 2, and then divide the 2 into 1. I'm a mathematician, so guys, bear with me with all this calculation. So I'm going to use this gel, which I ended up not using, guys. It's so slippery. If you have to braid something like braid and then you use that thing, I don't know how people use it, but I find using braiding without it easily. So guys, as in the previous video, I added one piece of hair in between my finger. I add the next, and then I add the next again. So I'm adding 3 pieces of this size. This size is bigger than the one in the previous video. So guys, this previous video I'm talking about, if you haven't watched it, I made a wig, a knotless braided wig on a full lace wig. So there I showed how to do it on a full lace wig, but here I'm showing you guys how to do it on your natural hair or on your client. So guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Please subscribe to my little brother's channel. He's the one singing his music in this video, so you guys should support our upcoming artist, Dante Boy South. Okay guys, go to his channel, just subscribe, like the video. I'm going to link his channel down below, and the video of this music. So guys, if you enjoy it, please leave him a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to his channel. Thank you.
As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'objet toxé. Petit pays bi parler, Arafa bi danser.
Are you sure that you can move your body? Shaku for me, baby, break your body. Oh baby, no time to chop body. No can deform my hand, make you go move body. Yeah, give them the shot. Yeah, show them that this life is short. Oh baby, get ya too hot. Me I no come to the rush. When they shit, then go flush. They say we busting the matter. They say we give them the fire. They say we give them the lamba. All these things where they make them go gaga. Yeah, they say we hot and we bad. We killing them like a sniper. Yeah, we wearing them like a slippers. And they using their head like a clipper. South Nation will move the motion. Jolly, no be for commotion. It's up to nothing, yeah. It's up to something, yeah. We get you something, we get you nothing, yeah. Give them the bunting, yeah. We do this something, give you the vibing, yeah. Give you the thing, yeah.
As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'objet toxé. Petit pays bi parler, Arafa bi danser. Nothing feel good like this. No beat, no dope like this. Feeling myself is a vibe. Feeling myself, feeling from head to my toe. I got the juice in my vein, running from head to my toe. That the fish scatter the matter. Climb up the goal line a ladder. Camera up to Nigeria. Feeling the vibe is a banger. Much poppy feeling. my vibe, calling my name. Shout out to Dante Boys out. Someone is calling my phone, counting my dough. Just wanna make it my dough. Dante boy, yeah boy. Dante boy, yeah boy. Dante boy, yeah boy. Dante boy, yeah boy. Hot for me feeling my vibe, calling my name. Shout out to Dante Boys out. Someone is calling my phone, counting my dough. Just wanna make it my dough. As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'obi toxé. Petit pays bi parler. Arafa bi danser. As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'obi toxé. Petit pays bi parler. Arafa bi danser.
South Nation, dans tes boys out. Big Cruise.
Oh my God, it's killing.
As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'obi toxé. Petit pays bi parler. Arafa bi danser.
Are you sure that you can move your body? Shaku for me, baby, break your body. Oh baby, no time to chop body. No can deform my hand, make you go move body. Yeah, pa, give them the shot. Yeah, show them that this life is short. Oh baby, girl, you're too hot. Me I no come to the rush when they shit them go flush. They say we busting the matter. They say we give them the fire. They say we give them the lamba. All these things where they make them go gaga. Yeah, pa, they say we hot and we bad. We killing them like a sniper. Yeah, we wearing them like a slippers. When they using their head like a clipper. South Nation will move the motion. Jolly jolly, no be for commotion. It's up to nothing, yeah. It's up to something, yeah. We get you something, we get you nothing, yeah. Give them the bunting, yeah. We do this something, give you the vibing, yeah. Give you the thing, yeah.
As we just see the dance, c'est job pour l'obi toxé. Petit pays bi parler. Arafa bi danser. Nothing feel good like this. No beat, no dope like this. Feeling myself is a vibe. Feeling myself, feeling from head to my toe. I got the juice in my vein, juice in my vein.
Dans tes boys out. Big Cruise.